Mel Baron's first career choice was to be a drummer, but when he decided he didn't have what it takes to make the big time, he found his rhythm in an entirely different field.
It was a lot of fun. One of the problems is I thought I didn't have enough talent really to make it as a professional. So I thought I better try another career, and pharmacy sounded like a good one.
The music world's loss was pharmacy's gain, as Dr. Baron, a pharmacist and associate professor at the University of Southern California School of Pharmacy, has developed an innovative and effective way to communicate about health issues, to reach low-income and often underserved people in large numbers. Using the creativity he once used on stage, Dr. Baron developed a series of fotonovellas to help educate lower socioeconomic patients about specific diseases and conditions. His illustrated books, which resemble comic books and are printed in both English and Spanish, are designed to keep readers involved in an entertaining soap opera-like story while they learn about conditions that affect them directly.
We pick a disease state and then try to incorporate that information using a soap opera as a concept, making it with pictures, storyline that would be entertaining so that somebody could turn the pages and feel interested in. We would have a series of maybe 4 or 5 major messages that we'd like to have the patient or person reading this understand.
Dr. Baron first became aware of the need to create health materials for low health literacy, low-income Spanish-speaking populations while working in the safety net clinics that provide health care for many of these individuals. At USC School of Pharmacy, he was one of the early leaders in reaching out to these clinics, which are located in areas that serve uninsured or underinsured patients. His experience with this segment of the population made him aware of the fact that there was a great need to find a more effective way to reach them. His first fotonovella, What My Girlfriend Didn't Know, proved to be a game changer.
Well, we started with folic acid, trying to prevent birth defects, especially that in the Hispanic community. They have twice the amount of neural tube defects than any other ethnic group, and we don't know why. And we knew that if we could convince any woman of childbearing age to use 400 micrograms of folic acid, we could prevent about 85% of these defects like spina bifida. We did that, was our first production that we did, and it was so overwhelmingly accepted that we thought maybe we had something here.
What he had was a hit. Written on a 4th grade level in a way that is both culturally sensitive and familiar to the target audience, the fotonovellas feature sensational, provocative-sounding titles, such as Sweet Temptations, which looks at the symptoms of diabetes and the importance of proper treatment, and Secret Feelings, which encourages those who are suffering from depression to get help for their disease. The entertaining plot that serves as a backdrop to his medical message has been successful in changing the perception of certain treatments, as well as breaking cultural myths about the treatment of certain diseases and conditions. His books have taken on health subjects such as dementia, asthma, medication compliance, and childhood obesity. In each story, the pharmacist plays a pivotal role as a medication expert, further creating a sense of trust between readers and their local pharmacist. A strong connection is stressed to national treatment guidelines and what's necessary to achieve the desired health outcomes. Dr. Baron's idea has exploded beyond his original vision, and today, hundreds of thousands of his fotonovellas have been distributed. Now, he is expanding his outreach to DVDs and landed a grant from Uni Health Foundation to develop a 10-segment series to educate patients and their families about the kidney transplant process. Forward-thinking and solution-driven, Dr. Baron illustrates the value of working effectively with patients to produce positive health outcomes through safe and effective medication use. At the center of this strategy is the pharmacist. For his innovative approach to patient education and his invaluable contributions to pharmacy, the APhA Foundation is proud to present Dr. Mel Baron with a 2011 Individual Achievement Pinnacle Award.